In this video, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut to know content that have copyright. Now this will save you from Facebook flagging your videos and other social media flagging your videos, so it will save you from having originality of content in your page. So join me in this tutorial. So guys, help me to share this video so that others will see this video. And if you have not followed this page, make sure you follow this page so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. So let's dive in. Open your CapCut app, then you click on new project. So import that video that you want to work on. So to check if that video have a copyright or not, the first thing you need to do is you click on that video, you click on the audio, then you click on copyright. Now if you want to run a copyright for any video, now the video must be more than 1 minute. If the video is less than 1 minute, you cannot check for copyright. So let's import another video. So to check if the video have copyright or not, what you need to do is you click on audio, then you click on copyright, then you click on check. So you're going to start running copyright check on that video to know if that video have a copyright or not. So you have to hold on for some time and make sure that your internet is on. So you hold on until you complete the check so that you can confirm if that video have copyright or not before you can post it on your social media platform. Now this will help to save you from your video getting flagged by any social media platform, and to save you from the stress of you going to appeal for your page or any of your channels. So make sure that you always do this before you post your video to any of your channel, either your Facebook, YouTube or TikTok. So it has completed the copyright. So this video does not contain a copyright. So if you contain copyright, it will show you that you cannot post it. So you can see that you can post this video on TikTok. So which means this video does not have a copyright. So this is how to check for copyright. So if you got value for this video, make sure you like and share this video so that others will see this video. And if you have not followed this page, make sure you follow this page so that anytime I drop videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification.